Now, Tony wants to know, are dams water storage systems or water soakage systems? They're water storage systems. If the key prevents water from entering the ground below the dam, isn't that preventing that water from benefiting the environment also? Are we installing these systems just to have control over the water and incorporate it in our systems? Well, we are storing this water to incorporate it in our systems, and we're doing it for the environment at the same time. All dams leak a certain amount and recharge the groundwaters. None of them are perfect. Here's the water leaking from Paradise Dam down to Fig Tree Dam behind me, and it's coming through the groundwater leak. So, and a lot of it will be going down to the groundwater. Now, when they're full at spillway height, they're like a sheet of glass. There's every drop that goes in, a drop goes out. Nothing in the catchment is that perfect, as in there's no soakage at all when the water's absolutely full. So we're helping recharge the catchment once they're full. And they all evaporate a certain amount and recharge the cloud base. So help it rain down wind somewhere else. So they're a benefit to the greater system. Now, the volume of water we're talking about with the scale of size of application that we use in permaculture is tiny. It's not even a drop in a bucket on what goes through the catchment. So it's a tiny amount of water that we're holding up for our personal systems, and we don't use that on evaporative agriculture. We use it in soakage systems that recharge life-rich events or facilitate life-rich events. So we're benefiting in the way we use the water. We benefit because we're recharging the groundwater. We benefit because we're increasing the catchment runoff once they're full and the speed of catchment runoff at full. And we're also recharging the cloud base. So you've got it in multiple ways. They're an incredibly beneficial component. And they moderate the climate because 20 times their volume in air around them is warmer in winter and cooler in summer. So they're a moderating effect on the climate as well in the locality. So, yeah, you know, small scale dams, you can't have enough of them because they only do nothing but good.